Hi there, my name is Kashif. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and in this video I'm going to give a very brief feedback and overview of the overall performance of Anjali Srivastava from my Tutor Academy and her manager Shilpa. It's my pleasure to give that feedback as a parent, and this feedback is including the progress check report which we get every month from my tutorial academy. So firstly, we are very thankful to Anjali for working with my child Abdullah, and Anjali is very thorough and very committed in giving him that one-on-one coaching required to make him a performing student at his school. And then Anjali is also open to the feedback from the parents, is especially from a parent like us who wants to be engaged with all aspect of education. And thirdly, her manager Shilpa, who also runs my tutorial academy, she's very open to feedback and suggestion, and she has introduced various components to improve the performance of the child. So I'm very happy with their performance with my son, and I'm very delighted to continue with them in this year as well, which is year 8 mathematics in 2018. So overall, as a parent, we are quite happy and satisfied, and we thank Anjali and Shilpa for their outstanding help and support for a child. One small suggestion to any prospective parents who wants to try the coaching online, it is a bit different than one-on-one or face-to-face coaching. You need to really sit down with the child and sit down with the tutor to have an individual learning plan so that the child can achieve the expected outcome. So thank you once again for watching this video, and all the best. Thank you. Bye.